He's asking that when he leads people in prayer, he prays calmly and properly, taking his time. But when he prays alone, he rushes and does not observe tumanina. Do we call such a person a munafiq?
Welcome to the club. Aren't we all? No, this is not hypocrisy. Is it a deficiency? Yes. Because the norm is to be the same inside out. But unfortunately, we're not perfect. We have our deficiencies. Yet, don't go to extreme and say, okay, I'm a munafiq. Which means, when I come to the masjid tomorrow and they say, come and lead, I said, no, I will not lead you. And little by little, you will abandon salah and you will not be full-fledged munafiq, you will be a kafir. This is how shaitan works, step by step. Shaitan never comes to you and says, boom, commit sin. No, he knows that you are better than that. Sheikh, I love you for the sake of Allah. Okay, let's go. No, he is a'udhu billah. What are you talking about? This is haram, this is blah, 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 blah. But he will come with a small, and this is the most dangerous invasion. It's not an army that is invading us. It's not the enemy that is coming to kill us. It's our own social media. A small clip that comes to you on WhatsApp. You're a mutawwir, you're a big mashallah sheikh. But it comes with little music. Yes, a little. A little by little, it's a comic clip. It's funny. It's okay. Oh, there are a woman and a man in the clip. Yeah, it's okay. Little by little, shaitan is dragging your feet. After a while, you notice that you're watching freely, not lowering the gaze, enjoying the music you're hearing. Little by little, I'm alone. Nobody's with me. Let me watch Netflix, movies. Let me watch a concert. Let me listen to this. Little by little, and then you fall into the major sins. If this started 2 years ago, you would have said, A'udhu billah, this is inappropriate, this is haram. Now, after 2 years, your heart has melted, has been filled with black tar and tarnished. So don't follow the steps of shaitan, because this is how he comes. What was the question?
So
I forgot. Oh, so a lot of the people leave salat because of such excuses. I had a cousin, may Allah have mercy on his soul, my cousin. His was one of the preachers in the masjids. He used to come and make bayan. Lihya, this big, thob, this short. Then something happened in 1980 when Jahiman went to Haram and besieged the Haram, killed a lot of the people and made heinous things. There was a roundabout. They rounded up everyone who was practicing to investigate. And he was one of them, stayed there for 4 months and came out. But there was a fuse that was burnt. So when he came out, he started praying in the house. After praying in the first row in the masjid, his mom called. I went. What's wrong with you? He said, Ya akhi, when I go to the masjid, this man next to me sneezes, this man coughs, the socks in front of me is so horrible and so much noise, the lights, the air conditioning, sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold. So now I pray home, I find my heart. I have khushu', I have concentration. I said, but you are going against the religion, against the sunnah. You know that it is haram. The hadith of the blind man. I said, yeah, I know all of this, but I find my heart. Okay. I tried my level best, but I couldn't do anything. That was about 40 plus years ago. So 2 months later, his mom calls. So I go, what's wrong? She says, he now have closed one of the rooms in the home and said, this is my masjid. Nobody enters it, nobody cleans it. And he prays there. Akhi, what are you doing? He said, the rest of the day it has TVs, it has loud noises. I don't ensure the purity of it. When I keep it locked, only me enters it. Khalas, this is my sanctuary. I tried to talk him out of it. The Prophet prohibited taking the mihrabs in the homes like this. It's not permissible. He wouldn't budge. 2 months later, his mom calls, Ba'deen, it's becoming time consuming. I went, what's wrong now? She says, when he prays, he turns off the lights and the air conditioning, and it's complete darkness. I say, what are you doing? He said, when I turn off the lights and the air conditioning, I feel like I'm in my grave. So I pray with khushu'. This is super duper. Yani, this is not from Islam. What are you doing? And he wouldn't budge. I tried my level best to bring him to Quran and Sunnah. Khalas. It's here. Shaitan is pulling his legs. Few months later, his mom called, yet he stopped praying altogether. And few months later, he died. May Allah have mercy on his soul.
Ameen.
But this is how Shaitan works. Be very careful. He doesn't come all of a sudden. There are steps of Shaitan. May Allah protect us.